Why a tech-free bedroom improves sleep.
The screens emit blue light that can disrupt your natural sleep cycle, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Creating a tech-free bedroom encourages your mind to unwind, reduces nighttime distractions, and supports mental wellness. By keeping technology out, you create a restful environment that signals your body it's time to relax and recharge.
Start by removing major devices.
Begin by removing TVs, computers, tablets, and gaming consoles from your bedroom. Relocate these devices to common living areas. This helps separate work and entertainment from your sleep space, making it easier to associate your bed with rest. If your phone acts as an alarm, consider a basic clock instead.
Create charging stations outside the bedroom.
Designate a convenient spot outside your bedroom to charge phones and devices overnight. This reduces temptation to check notifications during the night or just before bed. If you rely on your phone for emergencies, try placing it in a nearby hallway or face down on silent mode across the room.
Establish calming bedtime rituals.
Replace screen time with soothing activities like reading a physical book, practicing gentle stretching, or using mindful breathing exercises. This not only eases your transition to sleep, but can also help reduce evening stress and anxiety, setting the stage for deeper rest and improved mental well-being.
Keep your space tech-free every night.
Stay consistent. Make your tech-free bedroom a nightly habit. If you slip up, gently return to your new routine without judgment. Over time, your mind will associate your bedroom with calm and sleep, helping you wake up refreshed and more mentally balanced each day.